guys, how you all doing? Nuno here and welcome back to my channel and into my kitchen. So today guys, I'm cooking another dessert and today I'm doing something very simple, takes like less than 5 minutes to make. I'm gonna be baking some apples. So guys, what do you need for this recipe? I am gonna do 6 apples, so you need 6 medium-sized apples, not too big, not too small, and I went for these red apples, but you can use any kind of apple really, to be honest. And then what we need to do is you need to remove the middle of them, and there is actually a proper tool for it. I don't have it, so I'm using this potato peeler. I'll just show you guys, just like this. Okay. So with your potato peeler, you just go like a halfway through the apple, okay? And then you just spin it around in both sides. And there we go. Your apple is clean and ready to bake. Very, very simple. Now guys, that you have your apples all ready with a hole in the middle to the 6 of them, all you're gonna need is a glass of water. So you put in your water. Then you're gonna need sugar, okay? About a tablespoon of sugar into each of the apples. If you don't get all the sugar in, that's no problem, okay? That's it. And now the most important ingredient in this recipe. Port wine, a good quality port wine. You need about 2 shots, okay? And then you just mix it in the water. And this is it guys, it's so simple. And now they're gonna go into the oven at 180 degrees. If you really like cinnamon, you can also put a little bit of cinnamon in the water as well, but I'm not the biggest fan of cinnamon. I like a little bit of cinnamon like on carrot cake, but that's about it. So I'm just gonna put them in the oven now guys, and I will be back to show you the result. This is an easy, simple, and looks great, and above all, tastes amazing. Okay guys, so actually before I put them in the oven, I decided I just want to give you a close-up. So this is what it looks like. My 6 apples with the sugar inside, 1 glass of water, about 2 shots of port wine in the bottom, a good quality port wine, that's very important, and it's ready to go into the oven. Super simple. So guys, they do take a little bit of time to cook, and it really depends on what kind of apple you are using, but like mine have been in the oven now for about 20 minutes and they still have a bit of a way to go, okay? So it's extremely hard for me guys to give you like a baking time, you know, because it really depends on the type of apple that you are using. But anyway, just keep your oven at 180 degrees throughout all the baking. So guys, I just took the apples out of the oven about 5 seconds ago, and look how absolutely amazing they look. This is such a nice dessert and the flavor is to die for. By the way, they're kind of browned on the top, so don't be thinking they are like overcooked or burnt. This is exactly how they should look like. So the skin is crispy and the inside part is just soft. And now, serving wise, if I was hosting just like for friends, I would actually bring this tray onto the table and then let them help themselves. But if you want to be a little bit posher, maybe, whatever you want to call it, you can just use a dessert plate, just like this. And then you just take 1 apple out. They are super soft right now, so I'm gonna try not to hurt them. And then you put it onto the plate like this, and then using a spoon just get some of this sauce here on the bottom. It literally is just, it reduced a lot, so what you have left with is some of the water, the wine, and the melted sugar that caramelized, so it's very, very tasty guys. Some of the sauce here, and then you just put some of the sauce on top, just like this. And it's ready to be served. Make sure you serve it while it's still hot. Okay, and there you go, a pretty, very delicate looking dessert, and above everything, tasteful. So this is it, guys, our baked apple, oven baked apple with wine port. I love it. Oh my god, the smell is just like to die for. The smell of like the wine with the caramelized sugar and the sugars from the apple itself. Oh my god, it's just heaven. I really hope you guys go on and follow my recipe and you try this. And if you're hosting a dinner party, this is about the easiest dessert you can come up with. That's not gonna take you a lot of time. Okay, so guys, like I said, go on, try to do it yourself and enjoy it, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay, and this is it for today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.